Good afternoon, everybody. This is Blade, working on part one of the 2018 A Guitar Odyssey series of videos that I'm doing. Uh, Obviously, the title is inspired by Stanley Kubrick and Arthur C. Clarke's books and movies, 2001 Space Odyssey. Uh, Part one of this series is going to be based on selecting a kit to build. Uh, First question is what kits are out there? And quite honestly, if you do a Google search or whichever search engine you're more comfortable with, you will find a lot of sites that have them. You'll find them on eBay. You'll find them on Amazon. And you'll find them pretty much in any part of the world where the guitar is a common musical instrument. Since I'm in the United States, I've chosen a company called the Fretwire. They're based out of Utah, and yeah, they have a very big selection of guitar kits. They have uh, left hand, bass, the ukulele, banjo, mandolin. They have effect pedals that you can build. Uh, they've got a very good selection. I've chosen for my personal build, I am going to do their DIY electric guitar kit. And what this LP is basically a copy of the Les Paul manufactured by Gibson Guitars. Uh, this particular build will go through I'll go through everything, the wiring of the guitars, installation of the pickups. Uh, the, this the site itself has a nice selection of uh, options that you can trick out your kit with. I've chosen the Fretwire P90s for mine. I'm just going to go with this. I'm going to, for the initial build, I'm going to go with the stock tuners that come with the guitar kit rather than doing an upgrade. Um, like I said, there are a lot of guitar kits out there. Uh, a lot of it's going to depend on what style of guitar you want, because there's the three most well-known styles are the Les Paul from Gibson. There are the Stratocaster and Telecaster from Fender Guitar. Uh, there's also two neck guitar kits that you can build. Uh, those are just the kit. Basic basic pickups and tuners are going to run you around uh, 200 plus shipping, depending on where you are in the world. Um, uh, things things that you have to consider when the kits at the Fretwire have everything that you need. They include uh, they give you the basic option, the basic pickup options. They've got the wiring for the switch, and your tone and volume controls for your pickups. Uh, the guitar strings, they include a cord for the amplifier. They even have they even have the dies if you want to dye it color instead of just running with just staining the guitar. Um, there's a lot of things to consider when you're building a kit. Uh, the biggest one that I'm going to point out is if you buy a cheap, very low cost, I'm going to say under $100, you get what you pay for. You're not going to get a real good. You can you can do a lot of work to make it work, to make it a good guitar. But if you really want a good bass to start with, closer to, spend more money for the kit, and you will have a better guitar to start to. It'll be less work to get the guitar to where you want it. From you can get. Uh, yeah, I'm going. Like I said, I'm going with the P90 pickups, which were used on the earliest Les Paul guitars in the 1950s. I'm going to wire it. I'm going to do the wiring up like the early 1950s Les Paul. There are probably going to be some customizations once I get the guitar, once I lay it out, which I will show you. My next video in the series is going to be on options that you can do. There's plenty of videos out on YouTube that show you how to wire it. Just do the research and truly find out what you want in a guitar. Uh, it's it the amount of things that you can do with them is to customize and make it sound the way you want it to. It's just absolutely incredible. And this is enough for now. Cheers, beers, and bunny ears, and have a good day.